What's up, guys? Look, man, we want to take the time to pause real quick and give a huge shout out to LANDTOP for sponsoring this video. What we have right here is the doggone trailer hitch, and look how beautiful that thing look, man. It has the 2 and 5/16 ball, and it has a 2-inch ball, which I'm going to always use. As you can see, it comes with the adjustable hitch that slides into your trailer hitch. It comes with 2 sets of keys for the pins, and man, look, this thing here, we're gonna love it. We're gonna love it. Look at that. Hey guys, let's put this thing together real quick, man. As you can see, man, it's just quick, simple steps. Slide it in there, put your pin in, lock your pin down, boom, it's ready to go. I have already tightened down the ball, and I mostly use the 2-inch ball for my trailer. So we're gonna slide it into the denali, slide our pin in, lock the key down. And I want you guys to go check out their website, man. They have all different types of things on their website. That thing look good in the back of that denali, don't it? Yes, that looks real good. I'm telling you, the link will be in the description box, man. You want to go check out their website, man. They got a lot of things you can use, man. Go check them out. And remember, tell them your boy Big E sent you.